In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set custom ringtone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. I'm gonna show you from the beginning, so I'm gonna open up Settings, then tap at Sounds and Haptics, and that's where we can easily find ringtone. If we tap at ringtone and if we have more than one SIM card, it will allow us to select one of these physical SIM cards. I'm gonna select the first one, and after that we can select any sound to set it as a ringtone, just like that. And also, if we head over to the tone store, we'll be able at tones to download any song from this huge audio library. We can buy it by tapping right here. So first off, if we tap at song, we can listen to it. We can listen that music, and then if we want to buy it, we can easily do so by tapping right here, and then all the songs we've bought will be added to purchase it, and then we'll be able to easily find it here at music section. And then from here you will be able to set any purchased song as a custom ringtone sound on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.